Hello guys, welcome to Xposed. If today is your first time of tuning into our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your notification button so that anytime we post a video, you'll be the first person to be notified. So guys, when the people that are supposed to be protecting us, the people that are supposed to be the one looking after us, sometimes they find themselves into doing things that they are not supposed to do, especially when you are in the police force, whether army, any national security that you belong to. Those are the people that are supposed to be taking care of us. Then you are found that you are involved in armed robbery, you've gone to rape somebody, you've gone to do something that is out of the box that you are not supposed to do. It marvels me that I don't even know what to say about this particular. So a national security man was caught, okay, along with 3 others armed robbers, okay, and he was part of them, like all normal with details of everything that they did. So somebody like this now, he is supposed to be the one taking care of that particular place that they went to rob. He was supposed to protect those people. Info, details of how they should go about it, and national security for that matter. And what are they trying to say? That we are not even safe again? Since they are already what they are supposed to be fighting against. How are we supposed to feel safe? If you are not even safe, and then things like this are happening, how are we supposed to be safe? Then I was saying, how? Just look at their faces, and just look at the national security man. Just look at him. You can't just say he will even be involved in something like this. Would you even believe it? No, you wouldn't have believed it. I wouldn't have even believed it myself. But this is what is happening. And most of these national security men, they are doing worse than this. Most of them even supply guns for those that even go for robbery. I don't even understand again what is happening. What is happening? Look at their faces. Look at their faces. I've been dropping here. And this particular video that is also trending, okay, I will not say anything about it. Let's go and watch the video. When we are back, I'll talk.
Why don't you give it to me? Why don't you give it to me?
Yes, Ghana Online. We define the news.
This is me. This is me. Yes.
Yes, Ghana Online. We define the news.
Really? I want to take money from you. I want to take money from you.
You catch the thing, you put on your pocket inside, you will take money.
Me. See, look my first one. You want me.
You've watched the video, you've seen the video for yourself. Some of the video, you see how he said that, why don't you give it back to me? Why don't you give it back to me? Why should I give it back to you? Why should they? A police officer, you were found with drugs. Why don't you give it back to me? Have you seen me taking money from somebody? No, but you've been going around selling illegal drugs. Is it good? You see in the video, one man was even saying what? If you people caught us, you take us to jail, or you ask us to give you money in return so that you release us. And then you are found doing the same thing. Like what? Like what are you trying to do? Say they should give it back to you. If you need crown on why half fine or why half dead? Why dead? I don't know what you want. How can a police officer in a ghetto with cannabis and drugs? Like, what are you portraying? What are you saying? And you did not say that somebody is not who she not or before it's not on channel on the school share. Can you tell the person shouldn't smoke? You can't tell that person. Once we can't turn it back from. Then they'll finish doing this and then they'll go and arrest the guys, take them to the station, and then they'll ask for money in return so that they'll release them. And this thing is really happening. A lot is happening with our security. We are not even safe anymore. When you see a police officer, you're even scared of being the police officer more than the armed robber. because you don't even know whether he's a correct police officer or not. Most of them are corrupt, really corrupt. Yeah, true. They should give the drugs back to you. Why should they give it back to you? And I'm sure that okay, at least we are in the Mr. Dan Paris regime until I'm sure he will deal with him. Yes, if we're in another regime, this case would have just gone like that. But in his regime, I trust him. He will do something about it. Like I said, the robberies that most of the time that are going on, you will get national securities, people backing them up, giving them infos on where to go, where to hit, and these things are really happening. And this is not the first person that they've caught, and this will serve as a lesson to all of those people that are planning or they are involved in doing something like that. You know, it's almost Christmas, and a lot of these things will be happening. Robberies, plenty, and they be. So guys, just be careful out there, and I'll bring you more infos about this particular man. They too, yes, someone are buying for, yes. So I'll bring you details on what will happen to them, details on how they are going to handle their case. Okay, so don't go anywhere. My name is Salimat Al-Hassan. Don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms. Your opinions, your comments are welcome. See you next time. Bye bye.